Code's already on the screen. There we go. Hey everybody, I'm Pierson, and today I'm going to be demoing an MCP server that I built last weekend that gives Claude or any MCP client the ability to consistently generate images with text. Um, yeah, so rather than going to some image gen mid-journey diffusion model, hook in this MCP and now give Claude the ability to generate images like this one. Sweet. So if anybody hasn't built an MCP server before, this was my first time. I don't like Python, so I went to TypeScript and XMCP by Basement Studio. If anyone's used it, it's very similar to Next.js. So what happens here is we have tools. I'll get to the demo at the end. I'll show all the code. We have tools, and each tool here that's defined gives exposes an endpoint or an MCP tool. So we have 4 tools here in this MCP server called Satori. It has list template, which essentially gives a list of all these templates that are React components. So we have a bunch of predefined templates that you can replace placeholder values so that you can generate something like this image very easily. You have list templates, get templates, which is a way to get a template from registry, and then Claude can provide placeholder values to replace all the templates here. And then generate image. So Claude's really good at generating front-end code. And so when you're generating images, let's leverage that power of front-end code development to actually create React components and then convert those into an image rather than using a GPT image 1 or something. Because if you're writing a blog post, the story behind this was I write blogs for our technical blogs for our website. And whenever I want a cover image, I would go to Midjourney or something. And I'm like, hey, or Flux Context is like, hey, I have this blog, generate me an image that's horizontal, 16 by 9, these pixels. Just wouldn't work. And then if something was wrong, you couldn't iterate on it. And I think creativity is really important to be able to iterate and like maintain things you don't want changed. So that was kind of like the story behind this. And then I'll just show real quick a little bit of a demo just because it's cool to just see it in action. So it's hard to type with one hand, but Satori. So this is let's see. List all the templates available. So it's going to list all the templates on the MCP server. This is live. It's fully open source if you want to use this. So here are all the templates available, their dimensions, their descriptions. So Claude actually knows what the best template to use is. Use the startup template and generate an image with the title AI Tinkerers, a description that says for AI builders, not VCs. And so it should actually use that template. So generate image from template. Okay, cool. And then let's click on this output URL and boom, there we go. And it was blue and black. So if you saw that, let's iterate on that. Make it light mode and put a subtitle saying San Francisco, California. Let's see if this works. Cool. Oh, it didn't work. We did get San Francisco, California. So it probably just didn't do the right thing. What's the definition of the startup template? Look at the parameters. Make sure you're actually setting the light mode to true. And let's see if it works. Off the press. There we go. Light Boolean. And there we go. So it's been a while. 26 seconds. So that's pretty much it.